Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. So BNB updated here a couple of days ago. Since then, not too much has happened, rather sideways movement. And this for me suggests one thing that gives us a bit more clarity about the current wave count. So obviously this wave count that I have on the chart here would suggest that we are moving, or that we moved down in a fifth wave here. Found the low together with Bitcoin on, I believe it was the 18th of June at around $183. Yeah, a little bit more. From here, we started to move up in an impulse. And yes, this can be counted as an impulse. It definitely can. However, also what we need to bear in mind, even if we can count this here as an impulse, so there's one more wave missing, and we're going to take a look at the shorter time frame wave count as well. Even if this can be counted as an impulse, let's say a first wave up, bear in mind that also a corrective move up consists of an A, B, C, and the wave A is impulsive, B is corrective, C is impulsive, depending on what kind of correction you have here. However, I currently get asked quite often why I oftentimes put the bullish wave count on the chart. Well, I don't have a reason to not do it. The reason is we moved down, we came to target levels for various coins. We have for now turned around. Yeah, if this is sustainable or not, that is what we need to see. It's still very early days. Yeah, it's still very, very early in a possible uptrend and very unclear. But we've hit target levels and we can now count an impulse to the upside. And I always try to show you the wave counts, which in my opinion follow best the rules of the Elliott wave method. Of course, there are other possibilities, but these are oftentimes then not adhering very well to the wave counts, and there might be messing around required. Yeah, and you know, we hit target levels. We can count 5 waves down, which means a cycle is probably complete, and now we can count an impulse up. So why wouldn't I show you a bullish wave count? Now, of course, you know, we will, if we go below $183 once more, 184, then this possible first breakout scenario has been invalidated. Absolutely, it will have, yeah. And again, similar to what I said in Bitcoin, I put quite a bit of emphasis on it in the Bitcoin video. There is still a very, very clear possibility for a bearish wave count here. Now, here BNB is still fighting with this key resistance level, that previous wave 4. Getting above that substantially and holding it here at $237 will be very important, will be relevant. At the moment, we're not doing that yet. So unless we are above that level anyway, significant downside potential. Really, to get some relief of downside pressure is probably only going to happen as soon as we move above this wave E high here at $312. That's significant wave 4 high. Unless we do it, there is still significant downside pressure. This is sort of the higher level wave 4. But let's zoom in and take a look at this shorter time frame wave count from the low and why we can count it as an impulse. So first of all, we can count this here as a wave 1. This is a clear impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we can count this as a 5 wave move. Then what is coming down here is an A, B, C. This here then would be, so basically, let me just put it on the chart here. So this would be a wave 1. This would be a wave 2. Then we can count here this as an impulse as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a wave 3. What is coming down now is at the moment a 3-wave move. A, B, C would be the wave 4. That gives us a bit clarity about the current wave count, because sideways movement oftentimes can be found in a wave 4, also not a very strong retracement. That means another wave 5 should be coming. And again, that would then complete, in my opinion, here a wave 1. And again, when that's done, it should all be corrected in a wave 2. So where would that wave 5 land? Again, we can make assumptions here. We can make assumptions the wave 4 is already finished, and then we can calculate it based on the length of the wave 1. Take the length of the wave 1, add it to the low of the wave 4, and that gives us here a target which would be $263 here. Yeah, this is the 1-to-1 ratio. So when would the breakout be confirmed? Well, very simply, the breakout would be confirmed above the wave 3 high at 245.50. This would be the important level that we need to get above. Key level here. The low is currently here of the wave for $230. A break below that would unlock lower prices, in my opinion, all the way to the next swing low at $221. Let's take a look if we reached any significant retracement levels here in the wave 4. So we take the length of the wave 3, look at the retracement levels, and yes, we reached the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. So this is the key level and an ideal retracement level for a wave 4. Should we get below this level, again, $220 here, definitely support. That's a 61.8% Fib level. It wouldn't invalidate if this wave 4 comes down to that. It wouldn't invalidate it because the wave 1 was here, but it would still be a significant drop for a wave 4. Actually, it would stretch it quite a lot. It would be a bit too much for a wave 4. In my opinion, the most likely scenario, actually, looking at the Fib levels and what a wave 4 can do, not looking at this swing low here, 220, the $225 level is probably the next most likely one, should we lose 230. But it could be wave 4 is complete, and best evidence for that would be a breakout above $245. Then the move to $263 should be very likely. On the other hand, yeah, a move below here, $184 would invalidate this whole ascending, this whole, first impulsive move to the upside. So we can count it in an impulsive way. Market is very insecure at the moment, therefore I think that's the explanation why it's not going stronger. But what the roadmap here would be, that we move up once more in a wave 5 that finishes a wave 1, then we see a wave 2 retracement, which will be quite strong usually, and then we should see a real rally in a wave 3. Yeah, and that could then definitely reach here, this area here around $340. I mean, we can sketch that out just for fun. Let's say here we get to 260, then we come down maybe somewhere here, yeah, and then the next wave 3 should take us, yeah, to around $342 roughly, yeah. So it will be quite a bit of a move up. Yeah, and that is pretty much currently my view here about BNB. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.